Here I have Nissan Ariya Nismo, and let me show you how to set the vibration level of your line assist. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the dashboard behind your steering wheel. Then you need to navigate by using both arrows, so you can find the arrows button on your steering wheel. For example, you can use just the right arrow to highlight the settings. Now press OK button, so you need to press this scrolling wheel on your steering wheel. Then if you press it, you've got access to settings. Scroll down to choose driver assistance, and under driver assistance you can find and select the line assist, so the third option. If you press the line assist, you should find the following information. So you can scroll down here to the last option, which is the vibration level. And if you press the vibration level, you can choose between high, middle, and low. So this is the haptic feedback you feel in the steering wheel. What does when you cross a line without signaling, the steering wheel vibrates like a rumble strip on the road to alert you. If you press, for example, middle, you will set this to the medium setting. You can set it to high if you want a stronger buzz, or low if you find it distracting. So it depends on your needs. If you choose something, let's just highlight it and press OK to confirm it. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like. Bye.